Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to share internet via Wi-Fi with our iPhone. With this process what we are going to get is that other devices can connect to our iPhone directly as if it were a normal Wi-Fi network, and from it we can surf or do any kind of activity as if we were connected, I repeat, to an ordinary Wi-Fi network. You have to keep in mind that this process is true that you will have an impact on you because the other person who connects to your phone, in this case to your iPhone, will consume your mobile data. So keep in mind that this can have an impact on the internet slowing down on your phone or running out of data sooner. So having said that, the first thing we will have to do to share our internet is to go to the settings section and from here move to where it indicates personal access point, which as you can see is located below mobile data. We enter at personal access point and as you can see we see allow others to connect. I have it disabled, but well, in this case we would activate this option and as you can see below it already indicates us the steps we have to do. In the upper area, as you can see, we see the Wi-Fi password section. This means that this password is the one that will have to put the devices that want to connect to our phone. That is to say, if there is a person who wants to connect from your phone will have to go to settings, look for the Wi-Fi and it will come out as you can see the name you have on your phone. In this case as you can see it indicates iPhone 13 Pro of Paco. In this case you will get that name, you will have to click on it and put this password that you are seeing here. You can change this password whenever you want, just click on it, you change the password and that's it, it's super easy. Finally in this section we have this one here, the maximize compatibility. Just in case there is a device that is not fully compatible, well, you press this option and it maximizes a little the compatibility issue, but well, it is not very important. I am going to repeat the process. I am going to reactivate the personal access point so you can see something. As you can see, right now I am connected to a Wi-Fi network, the one at home. If I activate the personal access point and allow others to connect, automatically as you can see I am disconnected from Wi-Fi and put on mobile data. That is, this process lives on the mobile data of your phone. You cannot be connected to a Wi-Fi network and from that Wi-Fi network share Wi-Fi, that is impossible. The Wi-Fi that you share from the cell phone, from your iPhone comes directly from the data. That's why I told you before that you have to be careful that the other person is going to consume your data. Well guys, so much for today's video. I hope it has been useful. If so, do not forget to leave me a good like, which is super important, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell so you don't miss anything. I for my part, nothing more. As always, a pleasure and until the next video.